Burberry's Brit Splash, a masculine fragrance that was released in 2015. It is said to be a summer fragrance, which is kind of true, but also it is a great rainy day fragrance for me today. I've been testing this one out actually. In the morning I sprayed it and it lasted like 4 hours. It lasts until I reapply it again. It lasts quite some time, and I can tell you this one for sure, it's a good cheapie. And for the price that you will be paying $20 or $15 for this one, no more than that, it's a good price for it. As you can see guys, it's raining. Like, it's still raining, but I'm filming this video inside of the rain. I don't care about the rain today. Some people enjoy the rain, some people get wet by it, so it's just like the sun. Some people get burned by it, some people enjoy the sun. As you know, the sun is a very powerful thing. It doesn't rain, the crop they go bad and stuff like that, so gotta enjoy it guys, gotta enjoy it. So let's get back to the fragrance. The top notes on this one is rosemary, the middle notes is watery accord, and the last one is moss and wood. Now this fragrance was released in 2015, so that is 5 years ago. I would say 6 because it's basically this year is finished. By the time I do a couple of videos again, this year is going to be finished. So let's say 5 years for now. So I can definitely smell the moss in this one. It has a lot of moss, but the woody note that it has really give it that rainy day vibe, if you know what I mean. Like if the sun shines for like 3 days and then the rain come pouring down, you'll smell the wood in the air. That is what this smells like on a rainy day like this right now. Yeah, definitely that is what it smells like. And the moss, really, it's a lot of moss in this one guys. Like, the moss is overthrowing the rosemary. On top I can smell the rosemary. The moss really overthrows everything. This fragrance was released to basically accentuate the vibe in London. It's a lot of London vibe in here. They basically make this one to accentuate the vibe in London, the London air. That is the whole vibe that they're trying to like portray. So this is a good one for that type of vibe. If you're into like jacket like this, hoodie like this, and your beanie, definitely get yourself one like this and wear it on a rainy day. Would I recommend this fragrance for you guys to buy? For this one guys, I wouldn't recommend it. I wouldn't recommend you buying this one. Buy something more, a little bit more expensive, especially when looking for a versatile fragrance. This one, you can definitely not wear this in the winter time. You cannot wear this in the cold weather, but on a rainy day it's okay. But the cold weather, I wouldn't recommend you wearing this one because it wouldn't last that long in the winter time guys. But definitely use it in the summer, to buy it to wear in the summertime, and like transitioning from summer to fall. That's it, no more wear than that. In the springtime you can definitely wear this one because of the moss that it has. You can pull it off. Definitely get it for transitioning from winter to fall, but don't wear this in the winter time. But get yourself something more versatile. I wouldn't recommend you buying this one. I am sorry about that, but this fragrance it doesn't last that long as well. 4 hours, that's it. I would recommend you buy something like, I would try to recommend something and put it right here, but definitely look into this one if you're looking for a really cheap fragrance that will last you some time. If you're a teenager, definitely get yourself this one, just to keep it in the collection. If you're looking for a great masculine fragrance for a teenager, definitely get yourself this one. Give it as a gift for your boyfriend, your brother, or something like that, because it's a great teenager cheapie. Definitely look into it guys. If you're new on this YouTube channel, definitely subscribe. As you can see, the rain is pouring down a lot more, so I have to cut this video short. That's it for this video. Peace out. Definitely subscribe.